let's go back 2015 where it all has started. The famous King Kylie Jenner looks. So here I am starting my 2026 with creating this look. So let me tell you a biggest secret of Kylie Jenner makeup. I get to know after seeing her many videos which is on YouTube. She and Ariel were talking about all these stuffs, and Ariel is doing her makeup and Ariel is using her iconic technique that was baking. Another thing, बिना फिलर्स के वो पाउट कैसे मिलेगा जो काइली जेनर के हर आइकॉनिक लुक्स में रहता है उनके लिप्स में. The King Kylie look is all about heavy, full coverage makeup. So as here I am starting with my eyes. In the meantime, please girls like, share and subscribe. Don't know girls why I'm not getting any subscribers, and now I'm contouring my nose. So contouring is also a big part of this look. Contouring your face, everything. So I am attaching all the cheat sheets of the makeup techniques like contouring, blushing technique and powder technique, everything. So if you want to create any look in the future, you can take a reference from that screenshot. Here I am hydrating my skin using this Mars base primer. Hydrates and also gives you a dewy finish after makeup. So here I am using this Mars foundation, but with a twist. The twist is that I don't have the exact shade, so I am creating it. Take any concealer palette and अगर आपका foundation shade lighter है then use dark concealer shade. अगर आपका foundation shade darker है then use a light shade and mix it, and you'll see कि आपका dedicated shade create हो जाएगा. Use a dark brown lip liner and overline like there is no tomorrow. Doing every possible efforts I can give, but not getting that much reactions or that much views, likes or engagement I can get. If you are visiting my channel and if you're seeing this video and if you're liking it, then please subscribe. Using an orange eyeshadow shade, fill it in the center of my lips. Now I will use my favorite lip gloss. It's the Insight lip gloss. You will get an instant filler without injecting any needles on your lips. And additionally, you can apply one more time to highlight the border of your lips. Now we will go back to our eyes. Actually, I have given time to my concealer to set it nicely on my lids. So using a concealer to defining my eyebrows and blending it nicely with my fingers. So girls, just wait a second and tell me what looks should I create next. On some of your suggestion guys, so give it in the comment box. I will wait for your comments. So here I'm cut creasing with the concealer to get that bold edgy eyes, and using this cut creasing technique will level up your eye look. I have used it 10 times and honestly it has never missed. Absolute perfection every single time. Try this technique out. I promise you it will be your new obsession. Sorry for the lighting girls. Trust me guys, from the front when I was creating this look it was not looking that bad, but because of lighting it's looking very unnatural and not looking that pretty which it should look. So applying kajal as eyeliner, don't know why but I was using that to smudge it off a little bit, and now using eyelash curler and mascara to complete my eye look. So here I'm not using any falsies, that's why I'm applying mascara a little bit more to give that falsy effect. Now using this concealing technique to highlight some important sections of your face, and it works. If you haven't tried this technique, try it once and tell me how it worked. So use a damp sponge and always use it in upward direction to get that snatched look. So hey, I want to take a minute to talk to my girlies who are my subscribers and who know me from past 1 year, who knows me or watch my videos and know my character. Just want to know that should I do a regular makeup videos or yap with you girls. I think yapping will work more for my channel. So please my girlies, tell me your thoughts about it. I'm too confused, so I need your suggestion guys. So here I'm doing that OG technique, that is baking. Apply a good amount of powder on your eyes and above cheekbones, around your mouth. I'm also applying some on my cheeks because I don't like that much blush, and at that time of makeup I'm thinking that it is too much blush. I should apply some powder to blur it down, but I shouldn't do that. Now you should brush it off the extra powder. So girls, tell me, do you like the makeup and the makeup techniques I have given to you or not? Alright girls, you know what to do. Flood the comment section with your answers and all your burning questions. Please guys, support me and like, share and subscribe. Your like, share and subscribe will help me to keep
keep going.
So if you liked it, subscribe it. Really, I don't want to go anywhere from your feed.